Hey guys, today I want to show you this new hand soap dispenser. It's infrared and completely touchless. It's by Syllable. It has the on-off switch right there at the top, as well as those three dots is so that you can adjust the amount of soap that comes out of it, and it just fills right there. The cool thing is it is rechargeable, so it's electric, and it comes with a cord so that you can charge it instead of having to replace batteries. And it's got 7 different LED lights that it cycles through, or you can have it set at a certain color. But it's pretty cool. You just hold your hand underneath and it dispenses the soap. And that's all you need, no touch. You can even use it for other things like shampoo or hand sanitizer if you want to, but it's perfect for soap for my family because then we don't need to touch it and it doesn't need to get all cruddy. And this is really cool. This is like one of my favorite finds in a long time. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the bottom and you can get one yourself. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.